This is Crafts by Chloe, and in today's video we're going to make a plush Christmas tree. So you'll need felt, stuffing, pom-poms, and pipe cleaners. So let's get started. So all I did here was trace a Christmas tree pattern onto my piece of felt. You can do any kind of Christmas tree shape you want, but I went with something super simple. So here I'm just cutting it out. So I'm all done cutting out my Christmas tree, and what I'm doing is I'm putting it over the felt again, and I'm just tracing the pattern again because we'll need two pieces. So I'm all done cutting out my two pieces of felt, and if you're going to use this Christmas tree as a decoration, I would recommend using hot glue, but if you want to use this tree as a toy, or if you're going to actually play with it, I would recommend using fabric glue because it's a little. Now over here, all I'm doing is I'm gluing the two pieces together, and keep in mind to leave a little gap so that you can put the stuffing in once we're ready for that step. See, I left a little gap so I could put my stuffing in. Over here, I just got a cheap stuffing. I got it at Walmart. You can pretty much find it at any craft store, but a good substitute is cotton balls. These work really well, and I have used them in the past when I didn't have stuffing. So I'm just ripping the stuffing up a little bit so I can get it into smaller pieces, and I am literally just shoving it into the tree. So I'm all done, and I am just gluing up the rest of the seams that I missed. And now that I'm pretty much done with gluing all the holes, we can move on to decorating. So over here, I'm just putting pipe cleaners onto my tree to act as garland, and I actually lost the last clip, which was me just putting pom-poms onto my tree to act as ornaments and me doing the outro. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you did, comment down below #I did it and subscribe to become a part of the #CraftyKid Squad. See you guys later. Bye!